The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, western Otter Tail County, Wilkin County, northeastern Richland County, and southeastern North Dakota, until 1 a.m. At 11:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glendon to near Comstock to Walcott, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fergus Falls, Whapeton, Breckenridge, Barnesville, Pelican Rapids, Glendon, and Lake Lida. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 30 and 48. Interstate 94 in North Dakota between mile markers 8 and 60. Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 8 and 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.